tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be.
Recording in progress.
That I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost.
How's everyone doing today?
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
I'm looking forward to see the good is gonna keep coming down and see how it is 1 hour.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer.
So,
Rising the song to the highest
oh,
bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks,
And back down.
I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
if we can get a pullback back to this 30 minutes supply, at least that the demand expected. But this will come down, even though it demand. I'll be right back, guys. Coffee real. Right. See if go back to this 30 minute supply. Hey Janice, Dr. Twitter, bye, and see me on stream. Able to see me now. Nas is crashing. Uh, supposed to be something big happening soon to crash everything. What?
Man, I just took a look. He lying. It's not crashing. It's dropping, but it's not crashing.
Banking hard. Oh,
Like, it's going down.
hey, look at where's the hell? Are you sure this ain't crashing?
It's at it was like at 25,000. It's at 24,600. It's barely
Crashing
dropped.
fine. Go back to 24, 24, 9, 13. That's for the downward one. Let me look.
It's only been pulling back for like 1, 2, like this would be the third day that's pulling back. Man, at some point, if you trade Nas, get ready for the buy. Because you know those idiots are gonna buy to all-time highs.
I'll be right back. I got to use the restroom. Wow, please take over for me.
Edwin, what happened? How'd London's session go? Or how'd Asian or London or anything go?
Didn't get that. Well, Asian, I didn't take it because didn't tap my supply. Sad. And London, I didn't get set up. Nothing.
Oh,
The pullback happens like pre-New York. Yeah.
wait, you took the Asian trade, right?
I was thinking like maybe no, I didn't. She didn't tap my
Oh,
supply. I thought she gonna tap the 15.
oh,
But I
did it
didn't
not
see
tap on
anything up there.
Forex?
No, I did not. That's why I was waiting. It's like if she tap it, then I'll take the sales as well. But since she doesn't, so I couldn't take it. Did you take it?
Yeah, I took it twice. I mean, I sold it before Abe even got
Oh,
on the stream, and then I already bagged like a
nice,
one, like,
nice.
like I forgot, maybe like 60 pips or something, and then pulled back. I got back in again, and I got like 100 on it.
Nice, nice. Yeah, it just didn't get to the supply that I was looking at. It's like it just doesn't make sense on Forex to take the sales there.
Oh, damn.
I really want to take this buy, but I guess the bearish momentum is kind of strong. Might as well wait for the sales.
It it does look like a buy down there, but damn, it's hard to buy it. It is hard to buy it.
Yeah, and my 1-to-1 is very tight as well. It's like kind of around here if I buy it. So she has to like spike it there.
Oh, okay.
Unless I got this as a bearish closure, but she closed bullish here, so I cannot use it.
Peter Pie FX. Peter Pie FX. I wonder who that bastard is. Oh man, freaking London. Man, I was trying to sell the highs and it just kept wicking it. And then I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go break even. I give up. And then, man, what the hell happened? This giant, crazy, bearish candle just out of nowhere. Like, what's up with that? What is up with that?
My friend said it was like a Ukraine news, but I'm not sure.
Oh, that sucks. It's very rare you see like it, like if you look at the 30 minutes, like it wicked the high once, twice, four times. So like wicked highs four times, massive wicks. Stayed up there for like freaking 2.5 hours. That's pretty rare. Normally it just drops after like wicking it like once or twice.
And I was actually waiting for the hourly supply up there to be tapped before I want to take the sales.
Did it not
And
tap something?
nah,
Did it not tap the supply or
nothing, not
some
even the
kind?
4 hourly. She need like another
Oh.
20 pips, or else would have been glorious sales. I was waiting for it as well. Man, this buy should be a winner. Such a beautiful setup.
How'd London session go for you? If you're still there. Or hell, how did the day go for you guys at YouTube? Now, did Gideon catch anything during London?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't. We're looking at the same stuff. No
Oh,
setups. But he took the buys here and got clapped. Wait, I think it's around here.
where?
Around there, I think. I'm not sure about his entry. It's like the moment he entered, this thing just collapsed.
Why would he buy it there?
I don't know. He's probably seeing something on the tick chart. Like I was waiting
Damn.
for. I got saved because I was waiting for this to close, so I can take it here, like the
Oh,
usual 5 setups. But
okay.
yeah, she just collapsed after that. I thought she gonna like reverse and start going up.
So I took a sell at 71.6, 71. So I took a sell like around this area right there. So yeah, it's like right around here I took a sell. Looking just to break the lows, take out this low. TP'd here, held the runner, and then runner got stopped out like somewhere around there. I'm surprised you guys were looking for sells. You should have been, I'm biased. You should have been looking for sells. That was like so, the highs, reject, reject, reject,
Uh,
big move down, pulled
yeah,
back slowly, and then, big move down again. So looking to
yeah.
take out these lows. If it's a pullback, it's only a pullback to, try to sell it yet again.
Mm. Well, I think we saw it like this. Like saw like this is the demand here. I think it's this one here, this demand. And then she never tapped the supply yet, the one that's like where I want to sell it from. So that's why
Oh,
we're looking for buys. Looking for the buys, I mean.
because like, if you look at it, right, it's like huge reaction, right? Huge selling,
Yeah,
very weak buying, huge selling again.
yeah,
And I looked at the news that came out when it sold off on this candle over there, this candle over here. It was like everything was like green for the dollar, so it's like, oh, okay,
yeah,
yeah, it just makes sense that it should continue along with the price action. So okay, yeah,
yeah,
it
that's
should
true.
get the lows. And I didn't even get it at the entry that I wanted. I wanted to sell it like, somewhere around here. Like I was hoping it would do this. And then it's like, oh shit, it's consolidating here. And then, all right, fuck it, let's do it. Let's sell this thing.
Man, you're brave selling it there.
Yeah. It was pretty scary, honestly. It was fucking moving really
Uh,
fast.
Man, the moment she went here, you're gone.
Yep. Man, I sold it. I think I saw like maybe 15. I had like a 30 pip stop loss. I sold it,
Uh-huh.
and I think I saw like 15 pips of drawdown in like 3 seconds. It's like, oh, profit drawdown. Oh my God. It's all over the place.
Man, man, what's crazy about Gideon's trade today was like the moment he entered, less than 5 minutes, stop loss, 90 pips, 80 pips.
Oh,
It's like
damn. Big one.
it's like I think he entered like here and then bam, straight down, less than 5 minutes.
Shit.
Yeah. It just happens.
Yeah. Sometimes like it's FOMO. FOMO, like you don't let the trade how do you say? It's like you kinda I forgot who said it. Someone said it. It's like you're only taking the buy because you missed the sell.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I get it. I get it.
yeah. And I do that too. Shit. Like, sometimes I do that. And it's like, shit, yeah. Good point.
Well, you gotta be flexible, right? I guess.
Yep.
Like you can't marry your buyers, so yeah, be flexible. Go to the supply, we sell. Demand, we buy.
Yep. But where was it? Okay, I think it was here. I think this was I think that was the London session. Yeah, I was too pussy to buy it. I was so stupid. I was so stupid. I was looking at this level and I was like, oh man, I think that's a buy. I think that's a buy. But I decided to, sell it here. So then when I TP'd, I couldn't switch my bias because I
Ah,
was
yeah,
like, I was like, oh, that's a buy. And it was the best trade. And I was like,
yeah.
missed it. Or
Actually,
I didn't even
during
miss it. I just didn't take it like an idiot.
yeah, yeah, it happens.
Yeah.
Actually, during London, I saw this hourly demand, but I wanted like the 30 demand. It's like a deeper down. I didn't trust this hourly, but I guess I was wrong. Actually helps with the double bottom.
Ah,
I saw I took a sell earlier.
oh, let's see.
22. God.
Man, Pi is brave. Yeah, and with the way how she
Oh,
looks. Mm,
he sold it around where actually, no, wait. I sold it much earlier than him. Yeah, I sold it way earlier than him. Damn, he sold it at the right time, eh? Shit. I sold it maybe like an hour before this guy sold it.
doesn't play at all.
Uh, oh, New York is open. Let's
Just every morning. In my name, you can give trades on YouTube. I'm okay traders.
I don't like how big every candle is. Very volatile. It's moving super fast. Man, Pi, if you're out there, you need to show me how and why you took that trade at the time you did and you didn't take it like any of the other times that went up there. Or did you take it and you're just not showing it?
Mhm. Man, smoke.
You probably already TP 10 times up there.
Hmm. Feel like smoking now, but this thing I get to supply me for that.
Man, bring your phone.
Yeah, I'm always on. Well, you know, do me a favor. Just say something once we tap this supply if I'm not back.
All right, no problem.
Okay, to turn off the mic of the Aussie.
Okay, pay him. Pay him. Do it, Rodrigo. Pay him 1K. Do it.
Yeah, Zelly
You
to
ain't got
me.
the money. Yeah,
Zelly to me
exactly.
will be good. uh, I should give you my IBAN. I don't even know what that is. IBAN. We don't have that here in the US. I don't think.
Maybe it's his made in China iPhone. They call it IBAN.
Oh,
Or is she gonna fall from here? It's gonna suck.
Yeah.
I mean, she could because of this.
oh. Kitterbit said IBAN is Yen bank account. National transfers.
Okay.
Gold is bearish now. Well, according to the daily, because we are still bullish overall, but lower time frame we have bearish structure. Higher time frame is still bullish, and looking at the daily, all this other demand that I have, I don't think they're gonna hold. I'm looking at possibly this daily support right here, but we have a lower time frame demand there. Uh, that's where I think we might get a pullback, bullish continuation from if gold keeps falling.
If we're blessed and it gets down into there,
Yeah, that zone right there.
Yeah. That's where you want to attempt to, hold your trade for the all-time high.
So also,
Man, well, please remind me when I took the buys there.
Oh, I will.
Yep. But that might not happen sometime next.
Yeah. Or maybe a couple weeks,
First we need to take lows on it hit there. First one is gonna be this previous daily low. Alright, we are
Oh wow, if that 5 minutes actually closed Paris, I could have caught 1-1.
Wait, for what? Like buy, sell?
The buys, the one that I said,
Oh,
there's candles here.
okay.
But well, looks like she might want lower.
I'm hoping it doesn't break out to the downside right now because
Yeah,
it might not come back.
yeah, that's the problem as well. It's like this, all of these weeks is basically the targets.
Yeah. And then you obviously already had the first attempt at a rejection. So if it breaks now, it, well, could just tank and not pull back anymore.
Yeah, it's probably gonna take a while for the setup
Oh,
to
it's
buy.
going. Snap. It kissed the VWAP and it rejected it. My God. I can't believe it. VWAP. What a god. Yeah. Well. Oh, damn. Huge, huge buy order down there. 100 lots filled instantly. Probably not going to do anything though. Oh, nope, straight through it. Oh, back above it. And back below it. Yeah, that's probably not going to do anything. Yeah.
Well, doesn't look like buys at all now.
No.
If I took it, probably stop loss already.
Adios, amigo.
Yeah,
Anyways, now all we do is we wait. We wait for the
wait,
pullback.
what session killed a bit? Yakuza underpants.
Oh, this is so gone, man. It's never pulling back up here. There's no way.
Yeah, she's gone.
Shit. Shit. All right. Well, I will say once it gets down here, I doubt that this will produce a buy that would come up here. Because if we look at what happened last New York session, it hit a major level and it just like kept chopping, chopping, and then like finally it just gave up and collapsed.
Yeah, everyone's got chopped yesterday.
Yeah, it should give like 50 pips, 100 pips if you can get like a really good entry.
Yeah,
But if you're trying to take like one of these trades where you try to take the buy above the whatever candle and the candle's too damn big, it's like good luck. Good luck trying to get enough.
uh,
Oh, buy. Was that the only trade you took in London, or did you try to sell it multiple times?
No, that's like the only trade. I'm still holding some.
I want to know why didn't you sell it any of the other times that it went up there?
Well, I got it in at the very high, so it has still only got my break even.
Yeah, but it went up there 3 times.
Not to where I entered.
Yeah, you got in
No.
at 59, right? 59.
Yeah,
Yeah.
59.9. It's
Yeah.
not been there.
No, London session. It
Yeah.
went up there to 50. It went up to like 61. It came down. It went back up to 60. It came down. Went back up to 60 again. And you sold it that last time. I want to
Yeah.
know why you didn't sell it any of the other times that it went up there.
Oh, I see. Oh, you want to know why I didn't sell it before?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Because I wasn't confident it was going to hold. It was only that third tap that had like 300 sell orders come in on that candle
Oh, okay.
at the same level. If you go back to that level and look on footprint, you'll be able to see that third tap had huge sell orders.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I just ripped off that. Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense. All right.
Sorry, I thought you were asking why didn't I keep selling the pullbacks?
Oh. Yeah, I sold that on like the second tap to the upside, basically where you sold it, but man, it just kept chopping and chopping and chopping. I gave up.
Yeah, to be in fairness, that I've no, it's one of those trades that very rarely happens. You know, when you get that candle straight down,
Yeah.
like they were dizzy, but I don't know where that came from, but I was happy.
Yep. That's a win. All right. Gold breaking down.
I got a really good reaction off the VWAP though, for a buy.
Yeah.
If anyone's
Oh.
looking at that.
A buy. Okay. You know this sell, it like tapped VWAP. It went past it by 1 pip. Like right there. Saw 1 pip of drawdown if you sold VWAP. Like, come on, man.
Yeah, it's funny because like VWAP was around here as well. And you got that move, and it's obviously still there. I'm surprised you didn't sell off VWAP.
Oh, I thought it was gonna go way higher.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn. I can't believe it reacted like that.
What about you? Had a good day?
Oh yeah, Asian session, double win. I sold it, then Abe came on, and you know he was interested in the sell again. I sold it again with him, and yeah, London session took a small sell win, and then tried the bigger one for break even. Then New York sold it, win. Now wait. I like that. I like how you sold it at the right time up there.
Thank you, man.
I was just like questioning you because I was jealous. I was like, man, how come you sold that at the right time and I sold that at the chop time? Like, what the fuck?
but as soon as you see that candle and footprint, you'll know exactly.
Yeah.
You can see it because I think where it was chopping, the POC was up there as well at the same time, so it was sort of putting me off selling it then. I don't know how this 1 hour is going to behave, you know.
You gotta assume they're coming for that low. What is it? 3750-ish. Man, what a target. That's gonna be such an easy target. 3750.
And if you look at that again on the footprint, that dip, I think on the left hand side you see a lot of potential for a buy down there.
Yeah.
Oh man, freaking gold.
Yeah, it's gone.
Must have rejected.
Right there.
heck? Oh, snap. Man.
Man, look at how
Man.
good VWAP is today. Holy shit.
Bounce over the
Here,
five.
here,
Man.
here.
But if I try to
Man.
use it, it's a loss.
It went above it here.
Yeah.
Too.
Oh, well.
Look at this tap right there.
Dang.
I just didn't use it. Even if I do, I'll still. I know I wouldn't take my trades off of it. Though. But there are people who would trade off of it.
Yep. I take trades off of it sometimes.
I know someone on Top Step. I mean, not Top Step. Top 1. That's how he trades. But he doesn't use one of them, he uses all 3.
What? 3?
You know, when you plot view up on your chart, it's naturally not 1.
Oh, yes. It has like upper and lower.
Yeah. Yeah. So it uses all of them.
Oh, okay. Top 1 has been on an infinite save. Like Apex, always on sale.
Yeah, all of them is on sale. Every single one of them is on. Top Step, Funded Futures, Apex, Tradify, Take Profit Trader, all of them.
Oh, Kill the Beat's asking, have you been paid out by Top 1?
Oh, well, that's because I haven't gotten to my target yet. But out. Once I do, that you guys will know about it, of course. Among all of the future scope fame, Apex is the one with the most ridiculous stuff. That's
Yeah,
why.
everything's ridiculous.
That's one of the reasons why they're never gonna change their billing down. They're not gonna change it.
Man, everything over there is ridiculous.
Their trailing drawdown is not even end of day. I don't think Apex has a consistency rule, or do they?
They do.
They have a consistency rule?
Yeah, but it's up. It's like up to them because
It's
they
up to
didn't
them.
pay me out. Yeah, they didn't pay me
You
out
see?
because they said my trading was inconsistent, and I'm like, that's vague as fuck. What the fuck does that even mean?
Yep, that's why they don't let people know. Yeah, that complaint is to be shut down.
Yeah. And then there was the other person in our private community where they asked him to do the video stuff.
Oh yeah, yep. This is, I think it was easy. His name is
Yeah, I think it was
Ojo.
DC. Yeah.
His name is Ojo. Yeah. His Nigerian board list. Okay. Yeah, I remember that. But he was the first one that let us know that they're doing that, or was it you?
Shit, I don't know.
I wonder if they finally paid him out.
Who knows? Probably not.
Any of that. Shit. Maybe they didn't, cause how was he? How? Wait, didn't they say they want us like it should show a video of him actually taking a trade?
Yeah,
I think that's what they wanted.
Yeah. It's like they have to see you actually take a trade, click the mouse with your face in the video, and your screen has to show your account there as well. So it's like, here, let me take a selfie with my screen as I click my mouse. Look, guys.
Yep. I try to give them a shot at game like, okay, let me give it benefit of the doubt. As I was trading on, trading view like past few weeks, 3K plus went down, but I was still in. Can you tell me I can't trade? Didn't freaking lose. Yeah, I was down, but I wasn't negative. Can you tell me I can't trade no more? So annoying.
Yeah.
Because yet you have all these other traders that will freaking do the account in one day, and you let them get it again and keep getting account.
Yeah. I still remember when Lucian was telling us all about the dude who got the $2 million payout. That- It's like, man, I've never heard such bullshit in my life. Can you imagine? He made 2 million in one single day on Nasdaq. So like shit must have moved like 2 pips, and he would have like 2 pips of drawdown would fucking go over your trailing drawdown. He must have been in like 1,000 contracts.
Yeah. If we get a buy set up here, I'll be expecting this thing to go back up. Pretty much to that 5 minute supply. This one. Range this so that we take that high. So we're pretty much still in the There's a chance 1 hour might not close, but let's look here. Is this a good turnaround to buy? I am looking to buy, but not just yet. Like to see this candle close nicely, and then we wait for a retest back to this demand. It's 15 here. To be honest, the setup that I would like is for this current bullish move to at least get to this 15-minute supply so sellers can get in from there. Then we just wait patiently, take buys. We're about to close. This kind is about to close. We just wait patiently. Tries to at least come to this 5-minute demand. I would prefer it if we can come back to 15-minute that we rejected. Okay, you can even tap it and flip. I'll take that too. Get it in close below the low. Get it pull back. Fill up this week a little bit. Pull back on the lower time frame. Continue down. Time to use profile here. Then one I'll focus on. Let's go with this one. That's the momentum right now. Very good. Down to 10 minutes. I flip. Morning, Richard. Okay. And gold is volatile today, man. Well, this stop loss is big. It's going to be 150. It is big. Gold is.
Oh man. Did I sell from 4-hour resistance on the retest? Well, we're gonna have to wait to see if we are going to break and close above it, because this is the range. The only thing that's good in this range is that the previous range that we had, which is above 3782.2, we broke it on all time frames. I say all time frames, I mean the time frames that I look at, and that's from the 4-hour down. Okay, so we do have a BOS there, so if this low holds, it should get up there. But the moment this high closes below this low, yeah, it should continue down at that point. And some of you probably don't believe in these possible buys we're about to take. That's fine. Have to take it.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put
This is similar structure but opposite of previous one when we created all-time highs. This also had my BOS on both sides. Well, over here to the sell side, as of right now, we do not have a major BOS at all, because in this range we also have another range, which is the previous one, which is this high that this low created, right? This low and this low here ended up breaking the highs at 3782.1, and it was this low that created it, so it broke it. Now the same low that we're talking about was the one that created this high. So in this range you have your major high and your major low. Because of the BOS we had above 3782.1, the previous major high became a minor high because we have a BOS on the 15, on year 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, and the 4 hour. Yeah, we came down aggressively, that's fine, but are we going to break the major low that created it though? So if we keep rejecting, I'm expecting this to go back up there, at least just with the VOC volume profile I drew earlier. This high has a higher chance of holding because this high, this minor high, broke a low. This high here on the 5-minute barely broke it, and if we go to the 30, we did not as of right now. 1 hour, we did not. And this minor low here to the left, 1 hour, hasn't taken it out. Hasn't broken it yet. We did take it out, pretty much wicked it. 30-minute hasn't just yet. So I'm willing to take these buys. But stop loss is huge. It's 150, like I said. Don't have to take it. Oh man. Goes up though, I'm expecting it to get back to 4-hour resistance at least.
Oh, where's your TP at?
Going to pretty much close to the 4-hour resistance. Somewhere around here.
Order filled.
Okay. What's that? 1.3 R.
Have been filled. Oh, damn it.
I've been making changes for the ages. 5, 10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough. I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I
Oh yeah, Janice, right. Everyone should know that really stop loss does not matter. You can still create a big stop loss and still follow your risk management. Depending on how much you want to lose, all you have to do is to change your lot size
Yep.
or your contract size. But there are a lot of traders, once they hear big stop loss, they start panicking.
everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis.
On this account, I barely use 3 contract size, but I have to use 3 today. Why? Because of the stop loss.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the
Wanted to move this entry just a little bit lower, but this previous candle, we needed to see how strong it's going to close. Oh,
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. I send the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new
Over here, a break-even point, if that. And over here, the to one. That's small. Oh. In what situations do I look for the lows to broken? If we grab the highs on the time frame that I'm looking at, or higher time frame, then I'll be expecting the lows to be taken out. So pretty much took these buys because of the POS we have, just like I explained earlier. That's why I took the buy. I'll be right back, guys. Wow, please take over for me. How to use.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Man, Kill the Beat was spot on. You'd see like a 50 to 100 pip reaction.
Man, where did all the volume go? Jeez. Did you take this roll?
No, I'm just
Hmm.
watching.
All right. Man, I was 50 pips up, and then she freaking flips.
Oh, damn, it went up 50 pips from your entry?
Yeah, I took it here. It's my setup.
Ah, okay.
But I suffered this though. Fucking disgusting. I thought
Oof.
I'm gonna lose it. Like exactly the same trade like yesterday when I took the buys, the early buys. Instant drawdowns and shit. But this one is a better setup, though. Like the yesterday one is like a bit too hasty.
Which trade?
The I think it's the London buys. Like I took it like on the minor
Oh, okay.
support,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah, yeah.
minor demand, minor 30 demand. I didn't wait for like the best demand that I want to buy from.
Hmm. Yeah, okay. Oh, please explain. Can you explain the concept of liquidity and why we are not looking for on this trade? Okay. Liquidity, that's just like the orders, right? You're talking about like how many orders there are, how much liquidity there is in the market, or how many orders are on the order book. Well, you can't see it unless you have you have the DOM up, and I don't have the DOM, so I can't tell you how much liquidity is on the book, where it is or where it isn't. And I think when you're talking about liquidity, I think what you're trying to talk about is what I've heard that I forgot his name already, but that guy on London Session Top Step, he says like, like let's say, oh, there's liquidity at these lows, there's liquidity at these highs and stuff like that. It's like, is there really liquidity up there? There's retail trader stop losses up there probably, but is there actually like heavy liquidity there? You don't know unless you're actually looking at the DOM. So yeah, back when I actually did look at the DOM earlier in the year, it's like I could see like, oh, look at that. There's like someone just, trying to sell 100 lots up here. There's just a random 100 lot sitting up there. There's like another 100 lot up over here. Okay, well, then you can say with certainty that that's a target. That's a liquidity target that the market will probably try to, get. But to say it's like, oh yeah, that's a liquidity target, like, I don't know, maybe. How the fuck you gonna know unless you actually see it on the DOM? Not to be rude, just being realistic. Also, one of the things is you can only look at so much and still do each one at a high level. Back when I did look at that stuff, it's like, man, I can't. It's too much shit to look at, honestly. So breaking the lows is not high probability because of the break of structure in this structure. So breaking the lows is not high probability. I mean, Jesus. I can only tell you what I see, right? Like I see this, right? That's all I see. Until the market shows me otherwise. Now if the market were to do this, I can tell you that. That's from my point of view. Now we are at a, pretty key level, right? Pretty key support. So of course you can see that market shift, right? You can see the buyers eventually will try to step back in and take back control from the sellers and stuff like that. But has that happened? I haven't seen it. And is it gonna happen? Maybe. I would actually be starting to look for a possible buy entry right around here, but I'm not going to because I don't like how extremely volatile it is. And as you can see, it's starting to pressure to the downside very, very aggressively. So yeah, no thanks. Let's see. Man, this thing's so volatile. My goodness. I have to like zoom my chart out just to see this whole little range down here. Yeah, I don't know. There's nothing I like.
Okay, came down again. Alright, this is not looking good anymore as of right now. See.
Do you believe in manipulation and sorry?
In my opinion, with this setup right now, I may decide to come tap this 1 hour demand before we push. Go ahead.
Oh, so he's asking, do you believe in manipulation and distribution concept? Range okay, you must be talking about Lorenzo. And some, he's like talking about that nowadays. Yeah, of course there's manipulation in ranges and distribution. I mean, that's always been here in the market, right? It's not do I believe it, it's everywhere, right? Consolidate, so they're accumulating or distributing, right? Let's say you don't know, then okay, they gave you the sign that they were distributing, right? They're selling. Then you got your pullback, right? Continuation. And then is there manipulation? Like, you could say like these wicks to the high side, these wicks to the high side. This is, their attempt at manipulation. Or say this little break to the low and then immediately shoots up really fast to the high side to try to stop out retail traders, right? Their stop loss might be there. They try to take the breakout, ramp it up very quickly to take them out. You want 20 pips stop loss, Edwin? Man. Even I can't find a 20 pip stop loss, and now I'm using the tick chart. It's like these stop losses, shit. Like if I'm being like conservative, it's like 30. I'd want to give it a little bit of space. Probably like 35, which is crazy. That's pretty crazy. No volume on this candle. It could flip. Can flip bullish. Oh, do you have the like that volume indicator on the bottom of your chart from TradingView? I never ever used that in my trading.
I don't like how there's no volume in this low, because I don't even want to say it.
Don't say it. Don't say it.
And it looks like that 15-minute supply that I was talking about earlier.
Oh.
It tapped it. If you guys remember, I was saying I would like to see it get to the 15-minute supply, and we take the buys. And then I'll just be looking to get in now. But the entry we took is not a bad entry. Even though I wasn't expecting it to come back down, I reject again and then actually take off the 15. Well, 2019.
That tiny little thing.
Oh, that's crazy. Volatile today. Mostly had earlier today. Oh, it was GDP
There's a bunch of stuff.
and unemployment claims. And that's why she's volatile today. A GDP will do it. Like there has to be a lot of at this point. And there's no volume at a key level like this. Very, very dangerous.
Ah, man. If I was, you know, if this wasn't right here at the lows and it wasn't so volatile, I had a sell set up just like a few seconds ago, and it's already like dropped like 30 pips. Like, my God, this thing is crazy.
On a TikTok,
Yeah. It's like it appeared and bam, 30 pips straight down. Like, that's crazy. Man, if they keep holding this slow, then you'll hit your TP for sure. Like all this absorbing of the sellers.
it's still dangerous. What I didn't want to say earlier is that I still don't want to say it.
We got the lows, tap that
Oh man,
demand.
you just have to say it, huh?
It didn't wick out the low to the left-hand side there from,
Yeah,
what
it's
is
already
that?
done it. It's already done it.
No, on the New York session. It didn't wick it out. The low's at 49.7. It did not wick it out yet.
Man, I think if she break the support, she gonna flush.
Probably.
That's if it closes below it.
You gotta imagine there's like a ton of stop losses under here because it's been hanging around here for so long.
Yeah.
Nope.
Oh man.
When it's
Oh.
hanging around at a low like this, I don't like it.
Moments of truth now. She gonna give the bullish or not?
Wasn't the voter my supposed to be bigger than this? I would give it more bidding room.
Yeah.
See, this current candle closes rejecting, and we don't. The next candle does not start breaking its freaking high. First thing we got a problem. This is what should have happened the Asia session sell we took.
Yeah. You know, it hit the TP.
Yep, we did.
Fuck. There's no big buying coming in. It's all big selling. Well, not big selling, but medium selling. 5, 7, 11, 9 lots.
It's not a bad thing though. Aggressive selling at the lows, not breaking.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Good point.
Passive buyer.
This candle does not start breaking this minor 5 resistance here. That I don't know.
On to the moon, baby. To the moon.
Really was not expecting that she was gonna eventually tap the 15 minutes up line.
Oh, we need the miracle now. The bullish miracle.
Edwin kneel down and pray.
The prayer is strong, King. Look at this. Holy shit. Oh man, this would have been a better entry, to be honest.
Yeah,
Better stop loss.
No shit,
yeah,
Sherlock. Fuck me.
absolutely. I should have just waited for this to see if he was gonna tap that 15-minute blind. But the thing was, it still gave me the setup I was looking for, because that's why I took it. Uh, two to three bullish candles. If that. Okay, we should continue, and yeah, this candle should definitely, I wouldn't say definitely, I would just say should close above this minor high we talked about earlier.
Man. Yeah, I'm out.
Really?
Right, you back to that thing again. See how we freaking pulling back now? Everyone, if we lose this trade, buyer's fault. Because he chickened out.
No, I took it. I took it at the low when Wall was saying about such huge sellers, and I was...
You're still chickened out.
Thanks, Pi, for leaving us holding the bag.
Wow, someone is talking to you on YouTube.
Who's talking to Wall?
Oh, dear God.
Oh,
Nah.
that's his biggest fan.
Yeah. I didn't take a trade, man. I've taken like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades today. What the fuck you talking about?
Uh-oh. Damn, killing me. Still not have the hooks yet. We still need to pick the main minor high. That's this one.
New hourly candle. Damn. Well, on the positive side, it's like wicking off the lows on those like 30-minute, 1 hour charts. 15-minute chart looks funny. It's like barcode city.
Hopefully this will just be the bottom wick for the new hourly, and
Yep.
away we go.
If that's the case, then should not break this new 5-minute low here. Yeah, they should pretty much reject from right here. And flip.
That was, yeah, that was so weird. The way Pi said "we," like he's a part of it.
We're community.
Hey Max, how you doing? You will buy every time you see this? Thing is, I still don't like how we, yeah.
This looks like 90% win to me. That's pretty high. That's pretty high. I like the mods.
Shit, that's very high. I'll take 90.
Yep, I'd take 90.
Shit, I'll take 70.
I wish I could have a 90% win rate. That'd be glorious.
Man. Yeah, it is a good setup regardless of whatever happens here. I'll take this every time if it's based off the structure we have in this range. With the higher time frame structure, I will take it. I wouldn't change anything here. The only thing I would change is the entry. It's a good iris magic.
Been a while.
Used to work. I don't know what happened.
That sounds so messed up. I go do my rest room magic. Gonna go for a wristy special. Oh, it's working. Pumpkin.
Oh, look at that. Instantly it works.
Just relax.
What am I pumping?
Just let it, just relax, let it go. Go up without a bottom wick, just go up.
Tell me, Pi, are you in this trade?
Am I?
Yep. Are you in this trade?
No, I was in it when you started talking about really big sellers. So I caught like 20 pips here.
Ah, okay.
I'd be very tempted to buy it again though, if it I love seeing that. Those big, really high volume, really aggressive selling, but at the lows, not going anywhere.
I like it. I like the way you trade.
This means that the little Pac-Man that you can't see on the time of sales yet, just going waka waka waka. What was Rodrigo's original name?
That has always been his name.
Yeah. Unless you're talking about the little rooster guy who changed his name several times to like, every time he changed his name, it sounded similar to Little Rooster. It was like some other kind of
Yeah, that's
similar.
the guy.
Yeah.
He hated you too, right?
Oh yeah. I don't know why. I never talked shit about that guy. I just remember one day out of nowhere, he was just like something about like, oh, people who trade tick charts suck ass or whatever, and I was like, oh, what the fuck? What's that about?
Oh yeah, I remember that day.
Yeah, it was so weird. I was like, what? What happened?
Wall is blessed with many fans.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure he's never had a tick chat before either.
I love that. You are a bit annoying.
Who's that? Rodrigo.
And he said just a bit.
Now, I will say, there are plenty of people who do not like me because I tell the truth. People hate that shit. It's like, like Rodrigo, he keeps saying, I'll pay you like $1,000 to, turn off his mic. He said this before, like, many months ago. Of course he didn't do it because he's a broke bitch, right? And now he's doing it again. And it's like, okay, pay him already, stop being a bitch and just do it. But he doesn't. It's like he says he's going to do it, but he doesn't. He's one of those people. And then because I say that, it's going to make him extra mad. And then he's going to be like, I fucking hate this guy. How dare he tell the truth that I just talk shit. I puffed my chest up and I can't actually prove it. It's like, I don't know.
Oh, he said he asked for the IBAN. Yeah, he did ask.
You can do it right now. You can just donate $1,000 through YouTube. Just send it. Send it.
Oh man.
That'd be pretty crazy to see $1,000 on YouTube. I was like, oh shit, let's go.
The way good is acting now. I needed this laugh. You go. Wow, thank you. I think this is the most Rodrigo has said anything on YouTube.
Oh yeah, he doesn't talk much.
Or does that to people.
Yeah. It looks like it's gonna break out.
Yeah, it's gonna. I don't want to say anything.
It should have broken out. I don't know why she keeps taking her time. When I talked about that 15-minute supply earlier, I wasn't really sure it was gonna do it. It just made sense for it to tap that 15 supply and let sellers get in and reject the lows again and then break it, which it might actually do. And this is how I pretty much pay attention to the market with each setups that I see, so that I will know to pay attention to that next time. It just makes sense because from up here we do have a lower high, lower low structure, and right over here you have a 15-minute supply there. So it makes sense for for it to reject that 15-minute supply, even though we're rejecting the low that created the previous high. So it does make sense for it to get back to the 15, reject the lows again, and start pushing up. So the setup we took, I think it was yesterday. Oh dang, why did I delete that? Where's the where was it again? 5. What was I saying? Man, what was I talking about? Forgot now.
Trade you took the other day. A 15-minute supply.
Oh yeah, so I was saying, because we're creating lower highs, lower lows, so it does make sense for it to tap that 15-minute supply, then reject the lows again, then we take it. If that was the case, then our NG would have been somewhere around here, 3760.8. And the setup we ended up taking, yesterday we were talking about A setup, B setup, C setup. What we took today is a B setup, and this entry right here will be the A setup. I said C setups, I do not like to take them, but B
Man, C's
and
not
A
worth it.
I will take. Huh?
I said C. No, don't even go that low.
Yeah.
You just desperate at that point. Also, it's looking amazing. I did take the buy just now when I said it looks like it's gonna break. And it's flying. Let's go.
It just made sense for it to go back up from this low because there's a BOS to the upside.
Okay, but no one lie. Everyone was shitting their pants when it was down here.
Oh yeah, include that, including me.
Yeah,
I was like, man, what the hell?
man.
Did I read this wrong? What's going on here?
I probably shit my pants twice.
Oh man. Yeah, I was like, yeah, the SL is the 150. Yeah, the A setup would have given it because Better stop loss. Well, it would have been at least 120 if I used that. Because I would want to put it below 37.52. So 30 ticks different.
Man, I just need her to hit 1-1, and then I'm gonna leave her to run.
You know, the funny thing is, 30 ticks is actually pretty huge because if you change, like, if you take your risk reward tool, right, and you drop it by 30 pips, but don't like move the TP or the stop loss, just the entry,
Okay.
it'll go from like 1 point whatever it was, like 1.3 R to probably like 2 R.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
See?
close.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
but then
makes a huge difference.
this is like 230. I don't know. Maybe I would have tried to do 250. Yeah, I possibly would have tried to do 250 for this one. Because it's close to the resistance.
Yeah.
But I'll take 200 tick. Okay. Minute. I don't need.
Well, now everyone can breathe easy. It's like, just sit back and relax now.
Don't breathe easy yet.
Not unless you hit the 1-1.
Yep. Or your break-even point at least if that's what you're looking to do.
Yeah, that break-even point is actually my 1-1.
Wait, what? Where's your entry? Didn't you say you got in? Yeah, so you got in right here.
Wait,
So
how can you get 1 to 2 from there?
it said 1-1 is
Yeah,
break-even
I
point
use like
is.
only 100 stop loss.
Oh, so you don't have it below this low here?
I had it below, but not that far. I felt like if she wanna flush it, it's not gonna hold.
Okay.
That's 1 to 1 for you, right, Edwin?
So 100.
Yeah, no, not yet. I need to hit that line, basically around that line.
So
Okay.
like 100 is right here on 50. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Even if I had that entry, yeah, I wouldn't right at the lows. Nope. So
Kildebeat's so right. He said many people have jumped out of this trade already. It's like, for sure.
oh yeah.
Yeah, you could hear it. You could hear them all cracking. especially when War was doing it. Right, guys, this is gonna do this.
Thank you to the E.
And I hate it when she teases me like this.
That'd be fine. Ah,
15 minute supply, man.
Yep, still there 15 minutes. And if we were here for this target, but oh wait, was that the news? Oh, that's a news scandal actually.
Yeah. It's pulling back deeper than I would like before it even gave a more aggressive push-up. You'd think with, you know, such huge consolidation, it would just keep ramping for quite a while.
Yep.
Man, he's coming. He's coming back. Coming back from us. Break even.
We'll see if it over here. So I just created resistance here and then it can do it.
No, stop.
All right, guys. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Oh no, tonight. I'll see you during Asian session.
Alright,
Thanks, Abe.
Thank-
Really appreciate it.
welcome. Yeah, I'll be getting out soon too.
Bye,
Take
guys.
care.
Take care. Take care.
Man, this thing's so volatile.
I hit high volatility, low vol.
Yeah. And I saw 75 pips and it went all the way back down to 9 pips. It's like, what the hell? Oh damn, yeah. It is pretty late. We've been here for quite a while. You gotta be fucking joking. Oh, well, I'm out. Man.
I still like it as long as it holds right now.
New York session. What a disappointing session.
I did like how the news actually respected, the resistance and supply as well up there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Alright, YouTube, I am going to head off. I'm just gonna let this dude do his thing, and we'll be back again tomorrow. NY session. I will see you guys then. God bless. Peace. I'm out. Alright, Zoom. I will see you guys later tonight for your session.
Thanks, Ed.
Welcome, guys.